Hey guys, I'm going to try to catch up on getting these videos made. I got behind on that. So this is lesson 5.02. This one's all about number formats. It's going to teach you how to format numbers and also about formulas. So you can use some pre-built formulas and also create your own formulas to do the math for you in these spreadsheets. Okay, so under Learn, I've enabled Flash Player, and I'm going to go through this slideshow for you. I'm going to make it full screen. I don't know. Oh, that's why, because it doesn't let me. Okay, that's why I don't usually do full screen. Okay, so this one is about number formats. It says when numbers are typed into a spreadsheet cell, Excel's default number format is general, meaning no specific formatting is applied. Numbers are, however, right aligned within the cell while words are left aligned. So you can see right here in the example, the word word is aligned to the left of this line here in the cell wall, and numbers are right aligned. So there are approximately 7 other number formats, as well as date and time, and the special formats for zip code, you can see here, phone number, and social security number that can be applied to numbers within a spreadsheet. They control how numbers will appear. So when you're working with your spreadsheet and the numbers you enter do not appear as you want, then check the formatting. You will find it on the home ribbon under number. So you'll go to home and then you'll go over here to number. You can use this drop down. You could use this dialog box right here to open it up in a larger screen, and you can set things there as well. So the most common formats for spreadsheet numbers are number format, which looks like this. You can see over here too that it says number up there as the type. Currency style, which looks like this, and you can see where it changed to say currency now. It puts the $, commas, and decimal points in there. Percent. And date. So this is the long date format, which includes the day, the month, the day of the month, and the year. And this is the short. So this is just the numbers with the forward slashes. And this is the time format. Okay. All right, so here are some links that give you a brief overview of number formats, so you can visit those if you need extra help. I'm going to go on to try it, and I'm going to go through this just showing the answers like I have for time's sake. So no commas or $signs with 2 decimal places that can be changed is called number format. Words are left aligned within the cell. The number is multiplied by 100 and then the percent sign is added, not treated as values in Excel, but as a representation of a decimal number. This is the percent style. Default number format is blank, meaning no specific formatting is applied, which is general. Numbers are right aligned within the cell. This symbol right here, all these pound signs or hashtags that you might know them as, means to widen the column width. So I'm going to show you, or increase it, make the columns wider. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. And commas if needed, currency symbol, like the $sign, in 2 decimal places is called currency style. Okay, so for your task, it is asking you to enter each number, or it says after entering each number, you must get out of the active cell and then return to it to apply the formatting. And if you see these signs again, it means to widen the column. So for your assignment, you're going to open this file. You're going to enter numbers and then format them. So it says to turn your completed spreadsheet into the Dropbox. So I'm going to enable editing. This is just the Word document with the directions. So it tells you what to do. It says to open the new workbook, and in column A, you type all of these numbers. Okay. Do everything right here that it says in column A. Then it says now apply the following formats to the numbers. So it tells you which cell to apply which number style to. Okay. And then what you have to do after you've done that is in column B, you have to type the name. So this right here, number, currency, accounting, whatever the name of the number style is, you simply type that in column B. So column A, you're going to have the formatted number, and column B, you're going to have the type. So I'm going to go right here and open a blank Excel document. Show you real quickly a couple of things. So in this blank workbook, for instance, if they had told me to write the number 100 in cell A1, then I do that. I have to click out of it and go back to it. And then on my home tab on the ribbon, I'm going to go right here to the style, and if it told me to make it currency style, I could click that to add the dollar sign. That's accounting though. So I want to use that drop down and choose currency. Another way you could do it also, like I said, is you can click on this number format, and you can use this too, because I believe one of them wants you to make it a negative number. So to see all of that, you actually need to open up that dialog box. So again, it's on the home ribbon. Go right here to the number group. You can use this drop down. You could use these, or you can use this to open the dialog box. Okay, so there's many different ways to do it. Now, what I was talking about, if you get all of those hashtags, so for instance, if I have a really large number, I'm just going to type a whole bunch of nonsense in there. When I click off of it and come back to it, well, it's not going to cooperate with me. Hold on one second. That's not what I meant to do. Okay, let's try this. So if I have a number like this, it doesn't appear like the number I turned it into. And also, let me make this accounting style. It automatically widened the column for me so I could see it. But look at this. If I had a column like this, that's where you see this. It just means this is a placeholder. I've got a number in here, but what I have in here is too wide. Now I can hover over it and it shows you a preview. But see what I'm doing right here between the columns? When I hover over it with the mouse, it turns to that double-sided arrow. I can hold my mouse button down and drag to the right, or you can double click and it will automatically adjust to the right size you need it. So if you have any numbers that are so large that you cannot see what the contents of the cell are, you just need to widen the column. Okay, so that's pretty much all there is to this lesson. I think this one was pretty straightforward and easy, but if you have any questions about it, please do not hesitate to email me. Thanks.